we're going to take a closer look at how to create subdomains and add-on domains in your cPanel window. So let's go ahead and scroll down to where our domain choices are. And first we're going to do a subdomain. So to do a subdomain, let's go ahead and click on that. And the subdomain is actually going to be a part of your original website. So you'll see that your website comes up over here, and let's say that I want to do a contact page for my company. I'm going to go ahead and type in contact, and then I'm going to click in the document root down below, and it's going to show me that in my public HTML folder there is now going to be a contact subdomain. And I'm going to go ahead and click create, and it will bring up a screen that says that my new subdomain has been created. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and now we're going to look at the add-on domains. Now the add-on domains, they're used as a new domain name to create different sections for separate topics on your site. So let's go ahead and click on add-on domains, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a domain that isn't already associated with my account, and that is going to be then it's going to do my verifying of my ownership. It's going to ask for the name servers that that new site belongs to, so it's going to ask me to verify in one of these ways. The next, it's going to ask me to choose an add-on or a parked domain. Now the add-on domain is when it points to a different subdirectory in your account, and this allows us to make it look like an entirely different website, whole new setup, whole new background, everything. The parked domain is a domain name that points to the same directory that we already have our primary domain on. And this means that it's going to be the same as my original website, which is my primary domain. Then it's going to ask me to specify a directory that I'd like the add-on to point to. So for now, I can either use an existing directory or I can create a new directory. And then it does make a note at the bottom that you're still going to be able to access the domain name directly by going to the website. It's going to list your subdomain here, and it's going to put it in your website as a subdomain. So then you're just going to click Add Domain, and it's going to ask for your EPP code if you haven't already put that in. Now you want to make sure when you go in and put in any new files or pictures or website script, anything like that, that you're going to be putting it in the correct folder to make it come up under your new subdomain or add-on domain. Because if you don't put it in the right folder, then it's not going to show up. So that'll save you a lot of hassle if you put it into the right folder in the first place.